Hey Sevilla, and anyway, we're on our way to Woodridge, which is an hour and a half out of Perth, but where we're staying in Mirrabooka, it's about an hour and 10 minutes. So we're going to have some fun on the way and see how Sevilla is really enjoying herself. Oh, and I just want to show this thing here I've got at the back of my seat right here. You can see it. That was made by one of my neighbours, little girl. She's really sweet. And she said, Lily, this is just for you. And I'm really happy to have it. And she says, put it on your car seat. And so here it is, a little, well, there it is. It's just a seat cover. And I'll always remember Naros is her name. They're from Sudan, originally from Eritrea. Beautiful neighbours of ours. Anyway, this is our little trip heading up, honey. This is our little trip heading up to
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. And heading up to Rena's place, and we're going to have some fun.
Easter Monday.
Easter Monday. Cheers. And don't forget to go out and enjoy yourself today, because today I think is the last day of the holidays for Easter. Oh, look at Sevilla. Sevilla having a nice yawn. Excited.
Sevilla wants to drive.
And she's so excited. We're excited for her, aren't we, girl? Hey? Anyway, this is Lily from New Woman. Hey, we'll catch you later on our next video. Hi, this is Lily from New Woman, and we're going to sing a song on our way up to Rena's place. Okay, but we're going to just change it a little bit. Here we go. Puppy, Sevilla, come and sing with us. Dawafina niwe. Koe whakaweangahana Nā kai koe sino Tā koe anga Tūmawai ataua Whakaweangahana Hana Tūmawai e mawho Maniwe Oi, I can see the lolonga ia kamatea.
Oh, that's good. See, I've changed it also to Australia now instead of...
Oh, and look at the family have just arrived. Chrissy, and so good to see everyone here at Rena's place. Cousin Marianne, and Dion, and everyone is just arrived.
Did you get it? Please have a dryer in your house. Yeah, like he didn't say
If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart?
Competition here.
No, that is his birthday.
Yeah, they come in.
Yeah.
Come in, Nani.
Was that the last one?
Nah, they come on, you back up slack.